Hi, Pablo here from Team Cape. And at first, we thought that we might make a presentation, but at the end, we think it's way more meaningful if we actually show you the Jupyter notebook that we worked on and we show the insights in the plots that we generated by it. So first, let me go on the left side and show you the different components that we separated the notebook in. First, the data loading, where we load the data, obviously. Then the important part, the exploratory data analysis, where we actually extract all of those valuable insights. And finally, the modeling part, where we create a predictive model that can create long-term predictions on the specific challenge. Okay, but let me jump straight into the visualizations because that is exactly what we want to look at. So first, the first plot is the NO2 trend. Here we're making a seasonal decomposition of NO2 in this case, and we see that the trend is overall going down. This is really important because one would think that there's more pollution, but in reality, pollution seems to be going down, and this could be because of some policies implemented by the Dutch government. We also see that there's some sort of seasonality. I mean, it is quite obvious, right? Meaning that this value is recurring and it happens like over and over with the same pattern, which is also really interesting because this means that we can also predict it. Next, we extract a value named CAQI, Common Air Quality Index, and this value basically puts one of these pollutants in a range from 1 to 5, meaning where 1 is very low, meaning no health issues, and very high would be like the highest risk and really, really bad for your health. And here we create a really interesting plot, which is this plot. And this is a full comprehensive analysis where we actually extract some really interesting insights. For example, that there is a peak value at 7 a.m. coinciding with the rush hours, meaning that obviously traffic has a big impact in the trend. And we also wanted to look into the impact of COVID. And as we can see, right before COVID, there was quite a bit of pollution in some days. This is the mean of this air quality index. And also during COVID, this got lowered, which implies that we actually have measures, like to tackle this pollution.